Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 30th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So I got this kind of zoomed down a little bit so that way we can see the 78% Fibonacci retracement for the higher time frames, like the daily. With that level is around 154.8, maybe a little bit above that. So I am definitely still very, very bullish. In my opinion, there's really no reason yet not to be. This looks to me like maybe a wave one, wave two, wave three. I got my Fibonacci retracement on the wave three. The best scenario is that we make like a nice little three-way pullback to one of these couple higher Fibonacci levels, like the 23 and the 38, and then we potentially go up to that 78%, maybe tomorrow for Friday move. Maybe tomorrow London session, this will be ready to go up for the wave five. We'll have to just wait and see. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.